Welcome to Construction Zone, where we embark on an exciting adventure to explore the world of mighty machines that build, dig, and shape our world. From bulldozers to excavators, cranes to dump trucks, construction vehicles are the unsung heroes of every building project. Are you ready to join us as we dive into the action-packed world of construction vehicles? Let's rev up our engines and get ready to roll. Our journey begins with the mighty bulldozer, a powerful machine that pushes and moves large quantities of earth and debris with ease. Spells out B-U-L-L-D-O-Z-E-R, bulldozer. Can you imagine the thunderous roar of the bulldozer's engine as it clears the way for roads, buildings, and other construction projects? Bulldozer. Let's marvel at the strength and precision of this mighty machine as it shapes the landscape and prepares the ground for construction. Next, we delve into the world of the excavator, a versatile machine equipped with a powerful arm and bucket for digging, lifting, and moving heavy materials. Spells out E-X-C-A-V-A-T-O-R, excavator. Can you picture the excavator's arm reaching out like a giant mechanical hand, scooping up dirt, rocks, and debris with remarkable agility? Excavator. Let's admire the precision and control of this incredible machine as it digs trenches, demolishes structures, and shapes the terrain with expert skill. Now, we soar to new heights with the mighty crane, a towering machine with a telescopic boom and lifting hook that can hoist heavy loads high into the air. Spells out C-R-A-N-E, crane. Can you visualize the crane's towering presence on the construction site as it reaches skyward to lift steel beams, concrete slabs, and other materials with ease? Crane. Let's marvel at the precision and strength of this towering titan as it performs delicate maneuvers and heavy lifting tasks with unparalleled grace. Finally, we hit the road with the rugged dump truck, a workhorse of the construction site that hauls and transports materials such as dirt, gravel, sand, and debris. Spells out D-U-M-P-T-R-U-C-K, dump truck. Can you imagine the rumble of the dump truck's engine as it carries its hefty load to and from the construction site, delivering materials with speed and efficiency? Dump truck. Let's appreciate the reliability and durability of this essential machine as it plays a vital role in the construction process, transporting materials, and keeping the project moving forward.